Hello, and welcome to my presentation, Wearable Sensor Technology for Detecting and Monitoring Wandering Behaviors in Persons Living with Dementia, preliminary results from an ongoing systematic review. Wandering is a complex and challenging dementia-related behavior that relates to multiple neuropsychiatric symptoms including agitation, sleep and nighttime behavior disorders, and aberrant motor behavior. Lack of consensus on the definition of wandering reflects poor understanding of its etiology. A limited body of evidence has investigated the validity of using wearable sensor technology to quantify wandering in persons living with dementia. Our research question is, are wearable sensor technology devices suitable, mean valid, acceptable, and feasible for real-time applications aiming to detect and/or monitor wandering behaviors in persons living with dementia? To answer this question, we conducted a diagnostic test assessment systematic review from inception until December 2020 and subsequently updated to June 2022, evaluating the use of wearable sensor technology to detect and monitor NPS in persons living with dementia using multiple health science and engineering databases. Our protocol was published in Prospera. Here you can see our PRISMA, a systematic literature search produced 12,928 articles. A final corpus of 94 articles for 84 studies was included, among which 9 investigated wandering. Devices used included IC tags, accelerometers, pedometers, and accelerometers and pedometers in combination. 9 studies evaluating diagnostic test accuracy of wearable sensor technology are quite heterogeneous in number of participants, type of dementias, duration of wearable sensor technology measurement, and reference standard measurements. Reference standards used predominantly relied on staff observations, 78%, and not validated tools. Only 3 studies used clinical assessment scales. Quality assessment for the included diagnostic accuracy studies was conducted using Quartus 2. Most of the included diagnostic accuracy studies rated as having an overall low risk of bias or low concern regarding applicability. Out of 9, only 4 studies reported correlations between wearable sensor technology and reference standard data. Correlations ranged from 0.62 to 0.98. A random effects model indicated that the pooled correlation across studies was 0.83, but heterogeneity was quite high, 79%. So based on these results, we concluded that clinical and methodological heterogeneity of the included studies precludes us from drawing definite conclusions about the diagnostic test accuracy of wearable sensor technology for wandering. The lack of a clear wandering definition and use of clinical assessment tools that are important for characterizing, quantifying, and differentiating wandering from similar behaviors are major limitations research available today. Thank you very much. I would like also to thank for funding CCNA Team 11, American Art Therapy Association, and the Donald Berman Maimonides Medical Research Foundation. Thank you.